Speak. He can speak 3 languages fluently. He can speak 3 languages fluently. Talk. We need to talk about your plans. We need to talk about your plans. Say. She didn't say anything during the meeting. She didn't say anything during the meeting. Tell. Please tell me the truth. Please tell me the truth. Ask. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Answer. He didn't answer my call. He didn't answer my call. Reply. She replied to my email quickly. She replied to my email quickly. Discuss. Let's discuss this issue together. Let's discuss this issue together. Explain. Can you explain the problem to me? Can you explain the problem to me? Describe. She described the place in great detail. She described the place in great detail. Shout. He shouted for help. He shouted for help. Whisper. They whispered secrets to each other. They whispered secrets to each other. Announce. The teacher announced the exam date. The teacher announced the exam date. Inform. Please inform me of any changes. Please inform me of any changes. Report. He reported the incident to the police. He reported the incident to the police. Express. She expressed her feelings openly. She expressed her feelings openly. Introduce. Let me introduce you to my friend. Let me introduce you to my friend. Mention. He didn't mention your name in the meeting. He didn't mention your name in the meeting. Respond. She responded with a smile. She responded with a smile. State. He stated his opinion clearly. He stated his opinion clearly.